Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, May 2nd, and today I'm going to show you a couple of shop samples along with kits and bundles and patterns that go with them, because sometimes when you come in here, it's a little overwhelming. And if you're not local, you're missing out on all the shop samples that our wonderful staff members make. So first up, this one's called Au Naturel. Let me see if I can throw it over the front here. It's a beautiful quilt made with a fabric line that we have here in the shop, and this is actually a free pattern from Wilmington Prints, and this finishes at 60 inches by 60 inches. This particular quilt was made by a combination of people here at the shop. Linda Hunt cut it, Linda Piccola pieced it, and then Tammy from our long arm team quilted it. And here is the kit. So we have the kit with everything you need in it. It has over 10 yards of fabric, and the quilt is designed by Lisa Audit for Wilmington Prints. So that is one option we have for you. The second one, this one is really fun. I love that this is kind of a partial pattern. Oh, this one's big. And this one's called Crown and Anchor. And this was made by Marnet. She loves her red, white, and blues. And she also teaches a class with this quilt and this pattern. So let me take it down and then I'll show you the pattern and the bundle. So we have this bundle from, I think it's Island Boutiques, that is made to go with this pattern. And then all you need to do is add a background fabric of your choice. And then this is the pattern for it. I believe this one is the throw size, which is 60 by 75. But in the pattern, you can also get a runner, 15 by 60, or a queen, that's 75 by 90. And it just takes a background and fat quarters and binding and backing. So we have the pattern, we have the bundles, we have the class on this, and then we have the kit for the other, and then we have yardage of both of these fabric collections. So if you like what you see, but maybe you want to make something different, we also have yardage here in the shop. I'll be sure to link to all of that in the description of today's video, and we will see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.